Done, miss.
Done. Okay. Let's see. Duhara, Aloka. You're done till Nimet is done.
I have done, teacher. Sorry, I'm not done.
Okay. Dihan done. Duhara is doing. Duhara is still doing.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. You think, understand, and write. Okay. So, Senaya, I was telling Mama English වලින් කතා කරනවා ක්ලාස් එකේ බබාලට තේරෙන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ බබාලට ඒක එතකොට ඔයගලන්ට ඇහෙනවනේ ඉංග්‍රීසි. ඒක නිසා මම සිංහලෙන් කතා කරන්නේ ක්ලාස් එකේ but බබාලට තේරුන්නේ නැත්තම් මොනවා හරි ඔයගලන්ට සිංහලෙන් කතා කරලා මගෙන් අහන්න පුළුවන් right මම කතා කරන්නේ නැත්te එතකොට මම කතා කරත් ඔයගලන්ට you can't listen you can't hear anything in English ඒකයි right Navnita done
No, teacher.
okay Navnita how's your grandfather
Not well.
not well
Teacher,
yes Nivet
මට ටීචර් බුක් තුනක් ගන්න කිව්ව නේද?
hmm
ඒවල නම් ටික ලියාගන්න බැරි වුණා මට.
okay exercise activity book those are all exercise book right activity book mean homework activity whatever activity book next one's descriptive sentences okay and actions Senaya keep 3 books right 3 exercise books I'll add your number Senaya yeah Senaya keep 3 books 3 exercise book right Senaya keep 3 exercise books
Okay, teacher.
okay one for actions like homework activities one for descriptive sentences one for actions අපි ගොඩක් descriptive sentences කළා but I will send the recordings right and the tutorials okay
Okay, teacher.
okay right all done Aloka
Yes, teacher.
you are done Okay, Dihen done. Duhara?
I'm done, teacher.
You're done. Very good. Lonita? Lonita done. Okay. Right? So, okay, now let's go to this one. Say structure. Write the structure and underline it and write and highlight this one.
Teacher ඔක ලියා ගන්න ඕනද?
Yes, structure and this one. Right?
මේ පොතේමනේ.
Yes. Right? And write these ones also. Visual action. We say learn. We doer. Doer mean karana kena. Karana kena, action, and object. Object mean if you eat, what you eat. Eat rice. If you drink, what you drink. Drink water. If you learn, what you learn. Learn English. If you play, what you play. Netball. Sometimes you don't have to mention, we don't have to mention objects sometimes, right? And if you like, what you like. I like ice cream. I want what you want. I want water, like that. So this is the usual action. We learn English. And this is the now action. And highlight and nicely write it in colors, then you can see. Highlight, right? Highlight these structures, so then you can see when you refer the book afterwards. Okay, when you're done, tell me.
Done, miss.
Yeah. Nivet done. Right, Senaya done?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Aloka, Dihen, Lonita.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Very good. Oh, Dihen, Duhara.
I have done, teacher.
You're done. Okay.
No, teacher.
Now we have to practice. Right? Okay. Let's take a verb like, let's take, you take, we call it breakfast gannawa. So we use the word take breakfast. Like, okay. So we usually do it, right? We take breakfast every day. How do you say? Yes, how do you say? Appi hamadam.
Teacher,
Yes,
I'm done, teacher.
you're done. Okay. Breakfast gannawa. That is a usual thing. How do we say usually? Appi breakfast gannawa. How do you say?
We take a breakfast.
We take breakfast, right? We take breakfast, right? Let's say we take breakfast now. How do we say?
We taking breakfast.
What happened to this Amisa?
Sorry. We are taking breakfast.
Breaking breakfast. Yes. Remember, when you use ing action, you have to use am, is, are, right? So am, is, are, ing action, like friends. They're always together. They don't come alone. Like they don't come, ing doesn't come alone. Like drinking, jumping, going, coming, learning. We are learning or is learning or am. They are friends, right? We are taking breakfast. Let's take something like play cricket. Usual action.
We play cricket.
We play cricket. Right. Let's say we play cricket now. How do we say?
We are playing cricket.
We are playing cricket. Right. And let's start from Dihen. Dihen, let's say let's say we watch TV. What's the usual action? How do we say Appi TV Balanama? Usual action.
We watch TV.
We watch TV. Yes. Yeah. Here, let's say we watch TV now. How do we say?
We watching TV. We are watching TV.
We are watching TV. Very good. Next chance to Lonita. Lonita. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see. We appear usually homework karano. How do you say?
We usually do homework.
We do homework. Okay. Right. Very good. Let's say we do homework now. How do we say? Lonita?
We are doing homework.
We are doing homework. Right. Very good. Next chance goes to Duhara. Let's say your mother and father, right? they usually හිතමු උයනවා. How do you say your mother and father? My mother and father
My mother and father cook.
cook. Let's say they cook now. How do we say?
My mother and
Father.
they cook. They are
They are cook. Now verb.
cook.
Now verb.
Cooking.
Cooking. Cooking now. Yes, very good. Okay. Next one. Aloka. Aloka. Let's say share. Let's say mama kෑම share. Like අපි friends ලා මගේ යාළුවෝ කෑම share කරනවා usually. How do you say? කියන්නේ කෑම බෙදා ගන්නවා. My friends
My friends
බෙදා ගන්න
share food.
share food. They do it. Let's say they share food now. How do you say?
My friends are share foods.
My friends are share. Now action. What's the now action now?
Sharing.
Sharing, yes. Sharing food. Action plus ing. Right? Okay. Next chance to Senaya. Right? Let's say, ඔයාගේ, let's say, ළමයි කෑ ගහනවා. How do you say? කෑ ගහනවා shout. Children
Children shout.
shout. Very good. Children shout now. How do you say?
They are shouting.
They are, yes, children are shouting. Excellent. Very good. Nivet. Nivet, let's see. ළමයි මුද්දර එකතු කරනවා. How do you say?
Children collect
Collect stamps.
stamp.
Stamp. Okay. Let's say ළමයි දැන් මුද්දර එකතු කරනවා.
Children are stamping.
No, collecting. Collect
Children are collecting
stamps.
stamps.
Okay. Very good. Right. Can you draw a table with 2 columns? Rows, let's say 10 rows, 2 columns, and 11 columns. 2 columns and 11 rows. Right? Usual action and now action.
Okay, the gun teacher.
Yes, right? Draw a table with how many? 2 columns, right? 2 columns, 1, 2, and 11 rows. If you're done, tell me.
Not
Done? Hmm. Right? Done? Okay, let's start. See, Mama, mage grandmother usually call කරනවා. How do you write? Let's start.
I call my grandmother.
I call my grandmother. Okay. Let's say I call my grandmother now. How do you say?
I am calling my grandmother.
Yes, very good. My let's say grandma. Right? Okay. Write one by one.
Teacher,
Hmm.
මේ වගුව පුරවද්දී එක්කෙනා එක ගානෙද ලියන්න ඕන.
No, I will write one by one. දැන් අපි discuss කරන එක ලියමු. Then I will tell another sentence. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
At the moment, you write first one.
Teacher,
Hmm.
මේ අම්මගේ ෆෝන් එකේ කනෙක්ෂන් ප්‍රොබ්ලම් එකක් තිබ්බා. ඒක
Hmm.
නිසා මට මේ එන්න බැරි හිටියා දැන් ආවේ.
Ah, right.
මොකක්ද
So,
කරේ?
yeah, this is, did you draw the table?
Yes, miss.
Ah, okay. So, write this sentence. Right? Okay. Next sentence. Let's say, අපි නිදා ගන්නවා. How do you say, I'll say, සෙනායා. අපි නිදා ගන්නවා. How do you say?
We sleep.
We sleep. Shah, you're very good. Sleep. We sleep now. How do we say?
We are sleep.
We are sleep. No. We are
We
sleep.
are sleep.
We are sleeping. Always now action is ing. Sleeping with am is up.
Done, miss.
Done. Okay. Right. Next one. For Alok. ළමයි story books කියවනවා. Usually
Children is
usually
children are
no.
reading book.
Usually I
No, miss.
look at your book.
Children are read.
Wrong.
No, miss.
You look at your book was usual action.
Children read book.
Yes, children read storybooks. Now usual action. Okay, now action.
Children are reading storybooks.
Very good. Children are reading storybooks. Okay, write this.
Done, miss.
Yeah, okay. Right? Right. Let's say ඔයා lunch ගන්නවා. How do you say lunch ගන්නවා? Take lunch. Dihen. Usual action. Usual. You
take lunch.
take lunch. Very good. Now action. You take lunch now.
You are taking lunch.
You are taking lunch. Very good. So you ඔයාටත් ඔයාලටත්. Both we use you. So we take the plural version, right? We don't say you is because ඔයාටත් ඔයාලා. For both words, like singular and plural, for both, we use you. Right? So we never say you is, we always say you are. Next one, Duhara. Doctorsලා patientsලාට treat කරනවා. Usually.
Teacher, can
Yeah. Doctorsලා patientsලාට treat කරනවා. Usually.
teacher, doctors,
Mhm.
patient,
Treat mean බෙහෙත් දෙනවා, like පස්ථාන කරනවා. Treat. Patients mean රෝගීන්.
doctors
Treat patience is the English word. රෝගීන් is the Sinhala word.
doctors treat
Patience.
Patients.
Patients, right. Doctors treat patients now. How do you say?
Doctors are
Hmm.
treating
Treating patients.
patients.
Patients. Right.
Teacher, can I say the next one?
Okay. Right. You know, you hardly get a chance, right? Because you these things you know. That's right. Right. Next one, Lonita. Lonita, ඔහු like එයා kites හදනවා.
He making kites.
Lonita, usual action.
He making kites. Make kites. He makes kites. He makes kites.
Yes,
Kite.
he not making, usually make. Makes kites. I will tell you why we say makes, right? Don't worry. At the moment you write makes. Okay, Lonita, he makes kites now.
He is making kites.
Very good. Next one, Duhara. Driver cars drive කරනවා.
Driver fast drive.
Driver car drive කරනවා.
Driver fast drive car. Driver car fast drive.
Fast නෙමෙයි. Driver car එලවනවා. පදවනවා.
Driver
car what's our
drive.
doer action object? Not doer object action. Doer action object. What's the doer? Driver. What's the action?
Driver drive car.
Yes, driver drive cars. Okay, let's write drives. I will explain you later why we use drives. Okay, Duhara?
Driver driving cars.
Driver.
Driving cars.
No, there's something missing.
Driver is driving car.
Yeah, driver is driving cars.
Driver
Mhm.
is driving cars.
Next one Dihen. Aya chitra andinama usually.
He draw picture.
She draws pictures. I will tell you why. Yeah? She draws pictures. She draws pictures now.
She drawing picture.
There's something missing. Look at your book structure. She drawing pictures. There's something missing.
He is
Yes.
drawing
Pictures.
She is drawing
Pictures. Right? We always, when there's ing verb, that means now action, we have to use am, is, or are. They are like friends. ing verb and am, is, are. Right? Next one, Alok. Alok. Nurse medicine දෙනවා.
Nurse gives medicine.
Nurse gives medicine. Nurse gives medicine now.
Nurse is giving medicine.
Is giving medicine. Right. Next one, Nivet.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Kevin පොත් ලියනවා. How do you say?
Kevin write book.
Usually, yes. Kevin writes books. Kevin writes books now.
Kevin is writing books.
Writing books. Right. Okay. So we completed the